Hello everyone. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I've been extremely busy and I haven't been on here lately, but today I was trying to catch up on my spring cleaning and I was getting my vintage items out, and I just want to show you all a quick vintage video of my favorite vintage items. First of all, I love this pair, and it's called a wall pocket. You put it on the wall and you actually, so you can tell it's had a plant in it, and you actually put a plant in it or a vine. These were popular in the late 1940s, and I just think it's so beautiful, and I washed it and it's so shiny right now, and I'll probably put me a piece of vine in there to root. Also, this little apothecary vase, I guess you would say, call it. These were popular, I think, in the 1960s. I'm not sure if this is carnival glass or not, but I kind of think it is, because when I was washing it, it has a iridescent sheen to it, if you can tell. And I love to pick up apothecary jars or apothecary vases. The next one is this vintage teapot. This was actually my mother's, and she got this in her bridal shower back in the 1940s, late 1940s. And I just absolutely love it. I always have loved this. I love teapots anyway. And then the next item is this little planter, is actually what it is. I guess you could eat out of it, but I wouldn't, because it's hand painted, and you can use it as a little flower pot or just like it is. And it like it says here, hand painted, and come from Japan. And this right here was actually given to my mother. It has a big gigantic saucer given to her. You see it's got a little chip, because when she got older, when she tried to dust her items or wash them like she would do in the springtime, like I'm doing, they would she would drop things and chip them. But it don't matter to me if it's got a chip or not, because I love it, because it was my mother's and my grandpa picked it out for her. And every time I look at these, I think of my mother and my grandpa. But I just wanted to show y'all some of these favorite vintage items. Like I said, this is a flower pocket, it's called. It's a pear, and this is very fitting because we grow pears. And I haven't done a video on growing pears, but I need to do one hopefully this fall when they come in. I'll show y'all if I don't forget it, and if, you know, life don't get too hectic. Well, everybody take care, have a blessed week. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you know every time I put a new one on, and I appreciate everyone for watching. Bye bye.